Introducing the HP Jet Fusion 5200 Series 3D printing solution. Made up of a printer, build unit, processing station, and HP's first natural cooling unit. Now you can unleash new growth and scale your production with a streamlined workflow designed for production environments. The process begins with HP's easy-to-use SmartStream 3D software, which allows you to prepare the build. And with the latest HP 3D process control software, you can achieve dimensional accuracy and repeatability faster by applying consistent process controls across your jobs and production fleets. The build unit is inserted into the HP Jet Fusion 5200 3D processing station for materials loading. Fresh and reused material is mixed and loaded into the build unit in a cleaner, automated process. The build unit is then inserted into the printer. Pre-print and in-printer checks are completed, and production can start. With HP Multi-Jet Fusion technology, the 5200 series delivers functional parts with best-in-class isotropy and a uniquely predictable and consistent print time for any type of part. The one-pass printing mode gives you high building speeds without compromising on mechanical and dimensional properties or look and feel. And with the HP 3D Center, you can track your jobs and manage your production fleet at any time. When the job is complete, the build unit is inserted into the processing station for cooling. With the HP Jet Fusion 5200 series, you have the option to cool the job inside the build unit, or take advantage of HP's most economical continuous 3D printing with the HP Jet Fusion 3D Natural Cooling Unit. The finished job is transferred to the Natural Cooling Unit, removed using the HP recommended Hoffman Forklift 5200, and then stored and left to cool. Meanwhile, the build unit is free to be loaded with material and used for the next job, so you can keep printing at full capacity, enabling best-in-class economics and productivity. Once cooled, the job can be unpacked and any unused material recovered for reuse in future builds. The empty natural cooling unit can then be stored, ready for the next job. The HP Jet Fusion 5200 series 3D printing solution gives you manufacturing predictability, along with breakthrough economics and productivity, so you can scale your production and expand into new applications and markets. You're one step closer to manufacturing the future.